nature describes very well both art and science.
Personally, I kind of realized my nature throughout this residency.
It felt like really natural to be in this residence with this topic.
Our nature, it's about the nature of humans and also the human identity.
And I think that the whole process kind of gave me a better understanding of our nature as human and maybe as artists, and also our nature in terms of outside of ourselves.
Art, let's see. Creation.
Explosion.
Love.
Flexibility.
It's mystical and discovery.
Aesthetics.
Science, innovation.
Curiosity.
Precision.
Searching.
Experiment.
I think they both share the same interest in knowing or discovering the world.
I think they have mystery in common.
Passion. Passion is the common ground between them.
They try to get new insights.
I guess scientists and artists are the people who are not really satisfied with just seeing the world as most people do.
The difference is that science is more problem-solving oriented than art.
The work ethic, maybe.
Art is just not that much afraid to deviate from the path, while science tends to stick on the path in order to have the results, I guess.
I think the biggest difference is probably that science is way more fact-related, whilst artists probably work more intuitively and sort of trust their gut instinct more and their feelings, I guess.
I'm killing the plug between the artist and science, so I'm like really connecting with them.
Because when art meets science, pretty amazing things could happen.
If artists tend to become interested in these types of activities or residencies, I urge them to go for it.
It was a unique experience, and this was maybe once in a lifetime that you can actually access these places.
It was a very nice experience.